A jury has found both Amber Heard and Johnny Depp liable for defamation in their lawsuits against each other. The jury awarded significantly more damages to Depp, a legal win for the actor. Depp sued Heard, his ex-wife, for defamation over a 2018 op-ed she wrote for The Washington Post in which she described herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. Though Depp was not named in the article, he claims it cost him lucrative acting roles. Heard countersued her ex-husband for defamation over statements Depp's attorney made about her abuse claims. The jury found that Heard defamed Depp in 3 separate statements in the Washington Post piece, and that Depp defamed Heard with one statement his attorney made. The jury awarded Depp $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages. The jury awarded Heard $2 million in compensatory damages and no money for punitive damages. Depp sought $50 million in damages and Heard sought $100 million. Punitive damages in the state of Virginia are capped at $350,000, so the judge reduced the punitive damages award to that amount. The verdict is a tremendous legal win for Depp and a repudiation for Heard, according to CNN legal analyst Joey Jackson. "It's a tremendous victory," Jackson said. "What he had to overcome was a First Amendment issue, which is that we all have the right to express our thoughts and opinions. What they, the jurors, said was that, yeah, you do have a First Amendment right unless you say something that is false that injures someone's reputation and causes damages to them in their industry." David Shane, a spokesman for Heard, said she plans to appeal the verdict. Last month, Meghan Markle was reported to have removed a lawyer who represented Depp against Amber Heard in their legal battle. The lawyer, identified as David Sherborne, was representing the Duchess of Sussex in a case against the British newspaper. British media saw Meghan Markle's move an expression of solidarity with the Aquaman actress. The Sun had reported that Justin Rushbrook QC confirmed he will represent Meghan in future hearings, after he stood in for Mr. Sherborne when he was tied up acting for Johnny Depp in a defamation claim against The Sun. A report in Times, citing law circles, said Meghan may have acted in solidarity with Depp's ex Amber Heard, who has accused the Hollywood star of abuse. Meghan sued publisher Associated Newspapers over articles the Mail on Sunday printed last year that included parts of a handwritten letter she sent to her estranged father, Thomas Markle, in August 2018. Heard, who was brought in by newsgroup newspapers as star witness in the trial, gave an emotional speech outside the court today, seeing her likened to Meghan Markle. Speaking to the world press, Amber said, "I travelled here to the UK to testify as a witness to assist the court. After getting a restraining order in 2016 and finalising my divorce, I just wanted to move on with my life. I did not file this lawsuit, and despite its significance I would have preferred not to be here in court." Heard continued, "It has been incredibly painful to relive the breakup of my relationship. To have my motives and my truth questioned, and the most traumatic and intimate parts of my life with Johnny shared in court and broadcast to the world. I stand by my testimony and I now place my faith in British legal system." Amber went on to thank her legal team for their hard work and support. She said, "I appreciate the dedication and the hard work and support of the defense legal team as well as my US and UK lawyers. I also want to extend my thanks to the very diligent and kind court staff and the police who have been so supportive in ensuring my safety and protection. My heartfelt thanks for all of the tremendous and overwhelming messages of support I have received from all over the world. You have given me so much strength and I send it back to you. Thank you." Julie then shared that Heard mirrored one of Meghan Markle's go-to gestures when she is keen to make an impactful speech. Judy remarked, "At the end Amber performed the gesture loved by both Meghan and Harry when they want to show loving emotion during their speeches, and this hand on the heart pose was probably the one that best illustrated her thanks and affection for all her supporters."